My name is Vincent, and 2 days ago I left my rug at Khazar Oriental Rug for cleaning. What a shock did I have. The rug came out beautiful. It's beautifully well cleaned. It's just like, it looks like a work of art. And let me tell you, before I discovered this gentleman, Khazar Oriental Rugs, I had sent my rug to a cleaner, and they sent it to Coit. Now this Coit, I sent it in on November the 2nd, and they said that they would have it ready within 2 weeks. 2 weeks passed by, they didn't have it ready. Then they said the following week is going to be ready. It was not ready. And then they told me that the rug was lost. I said, how could you lose a rug that's 9 feet and 2 inches and approximately 7 feet and 6 inches? This is crazy, And then I said, well, look, I have a picture of the rug, and I can show you this picture, you know what I mean, and go down there and and see if I can find a rug, because it's a large rug. I don't understand. This is not a shirt, this is not a pair of pants. This is a big rug. And they told me that you can't go in the place, you know what I mean, because of environmental policies, And I said, oh my God, and now the rug is lost, and it's a $4,700 rug, and I was frightened. I said, now I lost my rug. I gotta have to take these people to court and all that other stuff. Well, finally, with the pictures that we sent, a couple weeks later, they discovered the rug, and they didn't even clean the rug. The rug was just laying around. So I would never recommend these people to, or anybody, to send this thing to Coit, which cleans rugs. Now, I would tell you to go to Khazar Oriental Rugs, because they're the best. The rug is, I'm completely impressed. It's really, really clean compared to the dirty rug that I had before, because when I bought it, it was 3.5 years without cleaning. Thank you very much, and I just hope that you just look it up. It's called Khazar Oriental Rugs. Thank you very much.